Now, they're back, faster, smarter, and more capable than ever. Today's electric cars can outpace many traditional vehicles, offering thrilling acceleration and cutting-edge features. Every major manufacturer is investing billions, and electric vehicles are everywhere. Sleek saloons, powerful SUVs, even all-electric pickups. The choices are growing every year, with new models arriving that push the boundaries of design and performance. This isn't just for enthusiasts anymore, it's mainstream. Families, commuters, and first-time buyers are all making the switch, discovering the benefits of electric driving in their daily lives. So, why now? It's a mix of environmental concerns and leaps in technology. Cities are looking for cleaner air, and drivers want to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing convenience or style. Battery science has advanced, giving us cars that go further on a single charge. Range anxiety is fading as new models offer hundreds of miles between plug-ins, and charging networks are expanding rapidly. Our cars are now smarter than ever, packed with computing power. From intuitive touchscreens to advanced driver assistance systems, EVs are at the forefront of automotive technology. We're witnessing a revolution in automotive history. The transition from gasoline to electric is more than just a change in fuel. It's a transformation in how we move, connect, and experience the world around us. It's an exciting time to be a car person. Whether you love performance, technology, or sustainability, there's never been a better moment to get involved. So buckle up and get ready. Let's dive into the electric revolution together and discover what the future of driving really looks like.